Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to create a folder shortcut on a Mac. Let's get started. If you're using a MacBook Air, MacBook Pro, iMac, or Mac Mini, the steps are the same. For example, if I open Finder, you can see there are multiple folders present here. Creating a folder shortcut is very simple. Let's make a shortcut for the music folder. First, select the folder you want to create a shortcut for. After selecting it, right-click on your mouse or tap with two fingers on the trackpad to bring up the options menu. You have to select the Make Alias option. Click on that and you will see a shortcut has been created right here in this particular tab. Now, how can you identify that it is a duplicate folder or a shortcut folder? You can recognize it by the arrow sign on the folder icon and the word alias in front of the folder's name. Now you can rename it to Music Shortcuts or Shortcut of Music. To rename, select the alias folder again and press Enter. Then type in the new name you want. Let's rename it now. Once you rename it, press Enter again. You can see the name has been changed. To move this shortcut to the desktop, click and hold the folder, then simply drag it to the desktop. Now, you can see we've created a shortcut of the music folder on the desktop. You can not only move it to the desktop, but also click and hold it to drag it into any other folder, like this. If you want to delete it, just select the shortcut and press Command plus Delete to remove it. You can follow this method to create shortcuts for any other folder as well. It's simple, right? If you like this video and find this video informative, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.